Today in front of me SONY XPERIA Z5 Premium, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So to do that, you just should hold for a while your screen, and here you'll see the widgets icon. Just tap there once, and as can you see here, we got our available widget that we can add on our screen. And for example, we can go with the clocks. Just tap there, and here you will see the some kinds of clocks. For example, we can go with the analog clock. Just tap once here and you will see this widget here on your screen. You can change the size of the widget, you can make it smaller or bigger. And also, for example, if you want to add, we'll go here to our yes, can you see we got here this widget. We can move this widget here on the screen. Just hold for a while and drag it to the another position, or also we can create new screens with a widget. So also we can add here one more widget, for example the calendar. Just tap there, and as can you see, the widget is here on our screen. By the same way, you can make it smaller or bigger. You can just move this widget here between the screens or create the new screens. And if you want to just delete the widget, to remove widget here, hold for a while and drag it here to the up section to remove the widget from our home screen by this way. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.